So here's how to fix print to PDF not working in Windows. So first you want to right click on the start button and then open the run command. And in here you want to type optional features.exe and then press OK. And it should open up this window. Now you'll need to scroll down till you see Microsoft print to PDF, which is this one right here. And make sure it's checked or enabled like this. And now you want to press OK. And if it's not already enabled, you'll see a window downloading the optional feature or installing it to your computer. Now, once it finishes installing, you can close out of that and right click on the start button again and go to settings. And now you want to go to the devices. And on the side, you want to go to printers and scanners. And if you should see a Microsoft print to PDF right here under printers and scanners. Now, if you don't see it, you will simply need to click on add a printer or scanner and then wait for a little bit. And now after a few seconds, you should click on the printer that I want isn't listed, or add a new device manually for Windows 11 users, which is pretty much the same. It should open up this window. Now you will need to click on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click next. And then in here, make sure you select print to file, which is file between parentheses print to file, and then click on next. Now you want to select Microsoft, and in this list on the right, you want to look for Microsoft print to file, which should be in this list right here. And if you don't see it already in this list, you'll need to click on Windows Update and then wait for it to update the list of printers. And now once it finishes updating, you want to scroll down and select Microsoft from this list. So you want to look for Microsoft. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select Microsoft Print to PDF. And then you want to press Next. And then you want to select Use the driver that is currently installed. Press Next and press Next again. And now just press Finish and you should see Microsoft to PDF added in here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.